girl cooked. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a mini self-care vlog. As you guys see, I'm starting my day off with a bubble bath. I'm using this Dr. Teal's foaming bath soap. I really love this stuff, and it also gets your bath very soapy and just filled with bubbles. Now I'm getting a bath. I love my water room temperature, not too hot. And then I also have to start my bath with some music. I love the Jagged Edge station. I got in the shower after my bath and I'm going to exfoliate my body. So I'm using this Tree Hut body exfoliant. It's super good. It smells very good, and it also makes your skin soft just like a baby. So I'm going to do this as soon as I get done. I am going to start shaving. You guys, when I say my skin is super soft after this whole skincare routine, you guys should try it. Now after I am done shaving, I'm using this Aveeno body wash in the scent vanilla. I love this. I am a Dove's girl, but I do recommend using this because it definitely leaves your skin super hydrated. Sometimes I don't even need lotion after I'm done washing up, especially in the nighttime. Let's get into the skin. I love this face wash. I always been using this. Now, like I told you guys, I am a Dove's girl, so I do love everything Dove. I have this Dove deodorant, and I'm a Crest girl as well. I love this toothpaste, and I'm just going to start brushing my teeth. This stuff right here is the holy grail. This is a lip sleeping mask. I really love this stuff for my lips. It leaves my lips super soft and just very glossy. I use it as gloss too. So now, after being in the bathroom for so long, I'm using this You're the One body cream. It smells so good. I got it from Bath and Body Works, and when I say, you guys, this makes your skin soft as well. I really don't use lotion like that though, because I also do use hydrating body wash, but I have this as a combo, so You're the One spray as well, and I'm just going to do a couple sprays. Squirt, squirt, squirt. Y'all, I smell so good. Now I've started doing laundry. As you guys see, I did put my darks in. Now I am going to start folding my lights because they're already washed. I do have towels that I need to be folded. You guys see only 2 because I did just move in and I have only 4 towels right now. And also, don't mind the TV on the floor. I'm actually waiting on my TV stand. But anyways, back to what I was saying. There are 2 different types of towel folders, and I'm one of the ones that know how to fold towels. So I am almost done folding all my lights, and now I'm going to start washing my dishes. Let me tell you guys something. I always use the Dawn liquid dish soap because I just feel like it gets everything off the dishes. I can't be going to nobody's house and their house dishes is not clean. Baby, that's going to make me leave. So you guys see I'm washing it. Wash, wash, wash. You got to get around the cup as well. Clean the inside and clean the outside. Make sure you do an extra wash around the lip part because I do not like drinking after nobody. But I'm just going to finish up these dishes. Then I am going to head out. I did clean a little bit around the house. Obviously, I didn't show that because I do want to do a clean with me video. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I am going to be heading out soon. Peace. All right, you guys, so I'm in the car, and as you guys see, I'm getting my car charged right now. It's on 1:30, but I'm charging my car. I'm a little bit low on energy because your girl haven't had nothing to eat. I haven't had no coffee. I haven't had anything, and I've just been up. Like, I go to sleep late and I wake up early, mad early. And today I was supposed to do like a, you know, a self-care routine or something. And I'm just telling myself, like, that is not a part of self-care, just not eating all day. So I definitely need to stop and get something to eat. My mom, she was planning on cooking, so I'm super excited for that. But after I'm done charging my car, I'm about to take this bin to my storage because it's just a whole bunch of winter clothes, and I'm just like, you know, I don't need it because it's just I'm in Houston, okay, and I'm not about to wear that. But yeah, and then I just want to clean out my car because it's a self-care day, and I need to go to Target. I need to do my hair, and then I need to get ready for tomorrow because I have a event tomorrow that I'm gonna be vlogging, and I'm super excited to share with you guys. So I'll see you guys when I get to Starbucks because I do want to show you guys what I ordered because it's super good. And I heard they got this new thing on the menu, so I want to try it on camera. Got some Starbucks, okay? Got my little drink right here. Y'all, it is so good. This is a white chocolate ice mocha and sweet cream cold foam, and it has extra white chocolate in it and caramel. But so y'all, it was dark. I'm headed to my mom's house because my girl cooked. Okay, I'm on this self-drive just in case if the camera fall, I can catch y'all. But anyways, stop the car. It's a red light. Today has not been my camera day, literally. Like, I dropped my camera twice. The first time I thought I broke it. I'm not even gonna speak it into existence because I need this camera. This is my good camera. I have another camera, but this one right here that I'm using right now is a good camera. Anyways, this is what I wanted to try, y'all. So we gonna try it. I really didn't want to eat it while it was not warmed up because they said they didn't have a warmer. So I guess I'll try it right now for y'all since, I don't know. Let's just try it. This is what it look like right here. It's too much icing. The bottom though is really good. It's giving very much red velvet. But y'all, I'm about to be at my mom's house, so I'll catch y'all later.